Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, today is the USDA December supply and demand report day. The government came out and said pretty much as expected. They left the corn carryout unchanged at 647. They lowered the U.S. bean carryout 10 million bushels to 130. And they raised the U.S. wheat carryout, and that because of a lower export number. Globally, they also raised world wheat carryout. So markets are responding to the numbers like they've been trading over the last 2 days. Beans are higher, corn is trying to bounce off the overnight lows, and wheat's trading lower. Other than that, we now shift gears and we start watching for year-end type trade. All the talk about fiscal cliff and whether or not the government can extend the debt ceiling and what 2013 taxes are going to look like and how much the government spending is going to be cut. Weather-wise, South American weather looks good. It's drying out in Argentina to allow crops to be planted. Brazil's are getting timely rains. Here in the United States, not much change in the weather forecast here. It's going to remain dry in the southern plains. We will be getting hit or miss type showers in the eastern part of the Midwest, but the overall forecast for this winter is a cooler and drier winter over most of the U.S. I think as far as markets are concerned, we're going to try to firm the corn market and possibly the bean market into the January 11th report. We'll be watching to see if the USDA raises the final bean crop and if that report might be bearish beans. We'll be watching the December 1 USDA estimate of corn stocks in the United States. If they're lower than expected, we're higher. If they're higher than expected, we're lower. From a wheat standpoint, the lack of export demand continues to be bearish and offsets the fact that we have some of the driest conditions in our U.S. hard red winter wheat growing areas in the last 25 years. Again, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.